Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs of the filter and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.